so this is the blow-off valve right here, and this is how I'm gonna take it off, so essentially you can know how to put it back on. So there's two 10mm bolts right here. So this is the same thing as taking off the OEM one. Only thing with the aftermarket ones, you'll need a longer vacuum hose. You got this hose right here. You want to get some channel lock pliers or some needle noses. It's a clamp. Basically, you just squeeze it till it's loose. Make sure you hold on to your gasket. You squeeze it till it's loose and you pull it out. Alright? I'm not going to go into telling you how to remove the actual hose. Just, because I got this thing clamped down super far. So, but yeah, basically, longer hose going to the intake manifold. You take the gasket on there, and basically just a reverse of the removal. You just, undo this clamp, stick that in there, make sure it's clamped nicely, tighten up two 10mm bolts. You don't want to tighten up too loose. You don't want to tighten up too much. Just get it to where it's snug, it's not going to move. Alright, and that's pretty much how you do the install of a blow-off valve on a first gen 2007 to 2012 Acura RDX. Peace.